No. No. No, 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 no.
Do we need to try that?
You just ruined that car.
That's a great hack.
Definitely a hack.
Yeah, no, you just made a bigger mess.
Super whack.
I hate them with an absolute passion. Feels like I've wasted my life. Hey guys, Levi from The Rag Company, and joining me,
Sydney Bray Gwynn.
and today we are gonna be reacting to some detailing videos on TikTok. Now, I've been a detailer for close to 30 years.
I've been a professional detailer now for about 13 years, working in a home shop.
Hi, my name is Lucas from TRC Customer Service, and I've been detailing for about 3 or 4 years.
Josh Brodall from The Rag Company. I don't really know what my job title is. No one does. I've been detailing for probably 15 years.
Let's get into the reactions.
Glue soap cleaning solution.
Sounds interesting.
Glue plus soap.
Whoa.
Did we already say whack?
That's already a whack.
Did he just turn all that stuff into a marshmallow?
Why does that work?
Check out
No, thank you.
glue, soap, and alcohol.
Oh, no.
Together they form a paste.
What was that?
Do we need to try that?
Check out how to
Can we bust out some glue and whatnot?
No, no. Don't use that. Sydney, I don't know if you know this about me, but I do not like slime, period. I don't let my kids have slime. I don't bring it into the house. I don't want them to buy it or utilize it. But what I do love, subscribers. That's right. Go ahead and subscribe to the Rag Company YouTube channel.
Yeah,
This is just making a mess.
I don't like this one either. I think that there's too many different types of materials and ages and dryness, and I think this one's opening yourself up for major fail. So I'm a big whack on this one.
Man, I don't know. It's super interesting. I feel like you have to be a chemist to figure that out. I'm old school. I'm gonna spray something in there, maybe use a brush and a towel.
I'm gonna go whack.
Yeah, this is whack.
Like it's headliner cleaning
quick
tips.
hacks for cleaning headliner. Number one, make sure to take the cleaner that you're using, put it into a foaming pump bottle, because when you can put the cleaner you like in the form of foam on the headliner.
So it's Wilson Auto Detailing using a nano hybrid
potentially
with a, is that a brush attachment or a pad?
Here's called N-Cap Spot
I
Clean.
mean, I like the idea if it's a brush or a pad.
Carpet spot cleaning product.
Maybe not a foam pad.
Yeah.
Headliners, and it comes ready to use in the bottle. Number three, I like to use a dual action polisher in a microfiber pad.
Oh, microfiber
Okay.
pad.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Agitating certain parts of the headliner because
Did he put towels when he said pads?
agitates, as of course that microfiber material
Think
is
so?
something that helps to clean, but it also absorbs some of the cleaner as it's agitating. When you're cleaning headliner, the less chemical you can be pumping into that section, the better. So it's why I always say follow up with a totally dry microfiber, not just the dry side of the microfiber you will already use.
So, not bad. I've never had a headliner not come clean with just a towel and some rinseless wash.
Bro's going ham on a headliner.
Yeah.
You ever spend much time on a headliner?
No, absolutely not. I would just take a towel, dunk it in O&R, wring it out, give it a quick wipe down.
I think it's a great idea, especially like where he's using it on the visors. I would say that's probably the dirtiest part. There's definitely like fingerprints up there, so I can see where that's super helpful. I do like that he's using the cleaner in a foamer.
Yeah.
I am a big fan of that so that it doesn't get too wet.
Hack or whack?
I'm gonna say it's a hack.
I'm gonna say it's a hack too. I think it's good.
I'm gonna say the dual action polisher is a bit much for me.
I mean,
I get it.
we talked
but
earlier, that's definitely a hack. I like using my polisher on all kinds of random stuff because I'm lazy. But
I don't know if I'm
just a
gonna polish a whole
lot.
headliner.
yeah, that's a lot, man. I don't know. I'll give it a hack. Yeah.
Trim restoration hack.
I'm guessing it's a torch.
It's a WD-40.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh man, look how good it bled everywhere.
Oh no.
Is that a paper towel?
So I'd like to see it in a week.
Show me an hour later.
Or after a rainstorm.
Right.
Anybody who takes a paper towel to any part of their car other than the dipstick
Whack.
is a hack. So that is whack.
I'm a whack on that one.
Yeah, I am too. So don't use any water displacement solvents on your plastics. One, this video, it's bleeding underneath the tape, and the overspray over here he's got to take care of. It's gonna attract a ton of dust. Like dust and dirt is just gonna stick to that, and then when you go to wash it, it's gonna wash right off. It may hold for, like you said, a week.
Yeah.
That's about it.
And then it's gonna dry it out worse.
Yeah,
Like once
that's-
it's all gone, it's gonna be dried out.
But you know what's not a whack, Sydney? I have a trim restoration video utilizing Solution Finish that you should go and watch right now.
Carpet cleaning hack.
You got some Ultra Air tools.
Yeah, no, you just made a bigger mess.
Hack.
The bad part is you just filled your tool with a whole bunch of dirt. People don't realize the tool needs air to breathe when there's that much dirt in the air. Not great.
I tried it on some cars, but the problem is when you got that much debris, you need to vacuum all that first.
Right. Yeah.
So I would have said vacuum everything first,
Right.
then put the polisher on, then try and get the rest that,
Yeah.
like shake some of that loose, then vacuum again.
Yeah.
But not just throw it on there and
Yeah.
go for broke. You
Yeah.
just knocked all that dirt in other places that you're gonna have to find anyway.
Well, and primarily the ventilation system went right up to where the filter is, right?
Yeah, that's a whack.
It does work
I like the idea.
in that scenario. I like my polishers too much to put them through that kind of torture.
I don't know if I'd do it on that, but I can see where that might be useful though. So I'll give it a half and half, kind of a hack.
That's a wacky hack.
That's a whack for me. You know, you see that all the time where they're shaking the carpet. I prefer to just use like an air blaster. And I don't work on cars that are that dirty.
I work on cars that are that dirty, and I just use an air blaster. It's that simple.
I just use the air blaster. That gets out plenty of the dirt that needs to come out. And especially, yeah, that guy should have totally pre-vacuumed.
Yeah, pre-vacuum is always the best.
Awkward drill brush. Carpet
Awkward
hack.
drill brush?
To his drill. Oh no, it's like a toilet brush.
Yeah.
That's not a drill brush.
Oh, I like it. I
It's
love
a
the
great
toilet
brush
brush.
to do for that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a big old hack.
So wrong brush, right idea.
I think this is better because to me it's easier to make the carpet look uniform with this, or in this case the floor mats, rather than a brush that spins in a circle.
And
It's
who's
like
to say?
lawnmower lines, dude. Fresh.
Just if the bristles are soft enough, then your carpets are gonna be fine. Like,
I probably use an air blaster. I use the drill brush to get stains out, but not just to get sand out.
I'm gonna say this is whackish.
Yeah, whackish. That's a good one.
next one. Anti-static carpet spray tip.
Oh, this, I gotta say, I didn't know about this until Sid told me.
Yeah, I do that every day. I use obviously paint gloss as my anti-static.
I love paint gloss.
That's a great hack.
Definitely a hack. Thank you, Sydney.
So when you spray a little bit of like quick detail or like even like a glass cleaner into the carpets, it just reduces the static friction between the vacuum and the carpet itself. So it's just easier to remove pet hair, dirt, things like that.
For some reason, it cleans, like adding a little bit of that actually makes it clean better. It's weird.
And it makes the vacuum go across the carpet a little bit slicker so you're not fighting with it.
Good hack to use an anti-static.
Logo trick. I'm not doing all this.
I hate carpet lines. I really do. I hate them with an absolute passion.
Yeah, it's like we've talked about before. Like there's Instagram detailing and then there's like detailing to make money. Yeah. And I feel like they're vastly different.
I think you end up ruining people's carpet when you do that.
Yeah, that's content. Looks cool on the video though.
This, they'll do them when they're wet sometimes, and they'll mat the fibers down. I'm not saying everybody that does this does it that way, but sometimes people do, and then the fibers are permanently stuck like that. So no matter how much you vacuum, you're always gonna have those lines. So that's something you like, cool, great. Me as a detailer, I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, me either. I also think that it adds pressure to them, right? Like they feel like then they can't use their trunk.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, it's all right. I don't know if I really rated a hack.
Undecided.
Yeah.
I think it's a good hack to use the tool he was using, but it's kind of a whack idea.
Agreed.
Oh,
Should have done
Oh,
this
boy.
sooner.
oh
No. No, 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 no.
I'm already gonna stop that video.
Whoa, whoa.
The video's ending right there.
Whoa, whoa.
That's-
Let's not get too deep into the rest of this
Whack.
clip. I think I've seen enough.
That's never coming off.
No.
No.
You just ruined that car. They put Vaseline on the dashboard.
No.
And that was probably a nice car. You just ruined it. No. No. That is the
The most whack.
most whack. Bad.
And that's whack.
Super whack.
Very bad. You guys seriously don't do that. You add petroleum to the surface of the dashboard and then it's gonna start off gassing even more. You're gonna have tons of fogging. it's gonna be super oily, and then it's gonna start breaking that down, and you'll get those, it'll reconstitute and change that plastic. It's not, no, it doesn't.
There's another one.
It says makes a car interior look brand
yeah.
new. I don't even want to
And
watch
that's
that.
never coming off. Like you're never gonna
Oh,
get
and it's
that
on
off.
a Dodge Ram
Never
or a
gonna
Dodge
get it off.
Dakota.
Steering wheel.
Oh, another one? I don't even know if we need to click play
I don't
on
think
that
we
one.
need whack.
I think we know where this is going.
Super whack.
That is,
So another Vaseline. Let's. Oh my God.
no, that's too much Vaseline too. Oh,
What's wrong with just using protectant?
look at him rubbing it in. No, it doesn't need,
Is the best way
no, it's not.
to help your car. Okay, no more going to the details.
You know how much dirt that's gonna attach?
Oh my gosh.
That is awful. No, you don't need to add more. Jimmy, this one's pissing me off, man. Why do people do this?
Why does he keep adding more?
Stop!
It's not dangerous, okay? I'm gonna see why you drive.
Yes, it is. Yeah, they are.
Oh.
This is a trolling video. This is not real. No,
Oh.
Jesus. Jimmy, this is bad. What is this? No, don't. Is he at a junkyard doing this? He can lose his junkyard privileges. No, I don't like this. I don't want to watch any more of it.
That was terrible.
Jimmy, that like pissed me off.
Whack,
Oh, there's
whack.
another one. Okay.
Headlight restoration.
I'm calling bug spray.
Bug
Right,
spray.
Here we go. If they use toothpaste.
Yep, bug
Oh,
spray.
bug off.
Bug spray? Bug spray.
Yep.
Is it gonna melt the sun damage off?
Supposedly. So that's what so this is an old hack.
Paper towel again.
Paper towel. Dead giveaway. What did I say?
The problem is it doesn't last very long.
Like a week.
It's going to not only dry out the plastic, it's going to make it fade even worse and quicker. So don't do that.
You know what this really does save time on though? Buying new headlights.
Yeah, it does.
It's gonna ruin them so much faster.
Whack.
Yeah.
Just polish them out. Put some PPF over them. You'll be good.
Or just buy new ones.
Wheel shining.
Oh no!
You know,
What is
don't do
with the
this. What is the?
Vaseline?
More Vaseline. Uh-oh.
Can we, Jimmy,
Hey,
can we
at
skip
least-
any of the Vaseline ones?
Hey, at least we started with a towel. We didn't go straight fingers dunking.
You didn't even clean the wheel.
No, because you
He's
go
just
down a
poured
road.
Vaseline on it.
Yeah, you go down a road and you're gonna have
This is the worst. This is awful. Stop it.
no more Vaseline ones.
Don't use that.
Super whack. What do you people putting petroleum jelly on cars for?
There wasn't even like a process. It was just put it on the wheel and then we cut to the end.
No cleaning needed.
I don't know, man. I don't get this obsession with like, what do I have in my house that I can stick on my car? Toothpaste, bug spray, Vaseline. Like, dude, buy detailing products.
Yeah.
You know what I don't have in my shower? Car soap. It's weird.
That is kind of crazy how that works. You don't have an acid strip wash in your shower?
No.
All right, so there you have it. We gave some whacks, we gave some hacks.
Most of those are whack.
Yeah, I don't like these videos. I don't like doing them. I don't like the way they look. It makes me feel bad. It feels like I've wasted my life. The whole goal of this is we try to make things easier for detailers and for home hobbyists.
All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed us reacting to these videos and deciding whether these were a hack or if they were whack. Most of them were whack, but
Yeah, man, we need to introduce most of these people to microfiber towels.
yeah, I think so.
That was my least favorite part.
Can we send all these guys like just a free pack of towels or something?
I think we can hook them up.
Yeah,
we
I think we
figure that out.
need to.
Yeah, blow their minds.
So if you want to learn some actual detailing hacks, you can just go to the Rag Company YouTube page and watch some of the videos. Sid's in some, I'm in some, Anthony's in some. Heck, we even got Lucas in there. You can watch a ton of videos with a ton of great content that teach you the proper ways.
Yeah, the actual hacks that save you time and make you money.
That's right. So, as always, guys, Sid, thanks for doing this with me. I appreciate
Thanks
it.
for having me.
You're welcome. And as always, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more of these weird detailing hacks. I hope there's not Vaseline right here at the Rag Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.